Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Salim and today I will make a video on current affair topic, and this video will be helpful for all those persons who are preparing for some competitive exams, and it is also important for the awareness of general people. So on April 22, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, directed states to stop using rapid antibody test kits for 2 days. Government of India received around 3 lakh COVID-19 rapid antibody test kits from China, but some states are complaining of its faulty results. That is why it has been stopped for 2 days. Currently, Government of India using polymerase chain reaction to detect COVID-19 patients. It has this PCR takes 4 to 5 hours to give its results, but these antibody test kits were giving results within 15 to 30 minutes. Second news is current affair. On April 21, World Creativity and Innovation Day is celebrated by United Nations. It also provides awareness about UN sustainable goals and how they are achieved by our innovation. Next topic is on April 22, the World Earth Day is celebrated. It is celebrated to demonstrate environmental protection. It has been used as it has been celebrated as a World Earth Day since 1970. This year's theme is climate change. Climate action. On this day in 2016, the Paris Agreement was also signed by more than 120 countries. What is Paris Agreement? This Paris Agreement was signed within United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is UNFCCC. Its aim of this Paris Agreement is to keep the increase in global temperature below 2 degrees Celsius as compared to that of pre-industrial levels. So the next important current affair topic is on April 20, 2020, the CM of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Khandu, inaugurated the Dopo Rijo bridge across the Subansiri River. This Subansiri River, this bridge, that is Dopo Rijo bridge, was constructed by Border Road Organization within a month amid lockdown. Uh, there happened an accident in 1992 where a bus fell from this bridge and no person survived in this accident. This bridge is of great importance. For example, as in India Arunachal border relations, it also help in providing ration supplies, medicines to the public. It is also very important as it provide transit to Indian Army because China is very close. So the next topic is on April 21, 2020, the United Nations adopted a consensus resolution for equitable, efficient and timely access to future vaccines to fight against coronavirus or COVID-19. The resolution was drafted by Mexico and is supported by US. This resolution also highlights the importance of important role played by WHO. Then what is the procedure of UN resolutions and how it is passed? To pass a resolution, the United Nations requires simple majority. That is, simple majority means more than 50% of all votes. However, when the issue considered for voting is of great importance, then 2/3 majority is required. Let's move to next topic. It is on April 20, 2020, Government of India released 17,789 crores of rupees to 8.89 crores of farmers under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, abbreviated as PM Kisan. PM Kisan, this scheme was launched in Feb 2019 and is being implemented by all states except West Bengal. Government of India transfers 6,000 rupees per year to farmers bank account in 3 installments. All the land holding farmers are eligible to become a beneficiary of the scheme. Further, Government of India is also distributing free pulses under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, especially during these days of lockdown. Thank you very much.